name is Antoine Vincent. I'm from Château Fuissé. I'm representing the 5th generation of winemaker at Château Fuissé. Château Fuissé is a family property located in the village of Fuissé, the heart of the Pouilly-Fuissé appellation. My family has always been very involved into this appellation, and my great-grandfather was the founder of this appellation in the 1920s. So that's to say that the Vincents are very close to this very nice appellation from southern Burgundy. Château Fuissé is one of the major estates in the Pouilly-Fuissé appellation and in southern Burgundy, since it represents about 80 acres in total, and mainly producing, of course, the Pouilly-Fuissé appellation. So what we have at Château Fuissé, the characteristic is that we have different plots. Maybe we are one of the estates that has the most scattered vineyard in Burgundy. In southern Burgundy, we have more than 150 different plots. So of course, we are not vinifying each plot individually, but we have some monopoles that we vinify separately. So we have 3 of these. So we have Les Combettes, Le Clos, and Les Brûlés. Les Combettes is located in a very cool area of Fuissé itself. It's a very specific soil that we have in this area, since we have a very poor soil, mainly in limestone, so that we have plates of limestone for this area. So that's why the characteristic of this cuvée is the definition of minerality. And that's why we don't use too much oak for this cuvée, because this plot in particular catches the oaky flavor very fast. So that's a very delicate plot, and we focus on the minerality and the finesse of the terroir. So this plot is exposed east-northeast. So that's to say, we as I mentioned, we have a cool weather, and you see that we have a forest in the north. So that means that we have difference of temperature in between night and day, and so on, which is very interesting for the maturation of the grape itself. So if we move back to the east coast, what we call La Côte de Fuissé, we find Le Clos. So Le Clos is maybe the most important plot of Château Fuissé, because it's the historical plot of the chateau. So a clos means a property surrounded by stony walls. So all around Le Clos you will find stony walls, and you have the Château Fuissé just at the bottom of this plot. It's a 2.5 hectare plot, which means about 5-6 acres, and this is where we find the eldest vines of the chateau. So these were planted by my grandfather in the 1920s, and they are still producing for the Le Clos and for the Vieille Vigne cuvée. The characteristic of this plot is that it's middle east exposed, so you find the classical soils of Burgundy, that's to say Marne at the bottom, clay and limestone in the middle coast, and limestone at the top of the hill. So it's a very interesting plot for the variety of its soils, which gives a nice complexity to the wine. So you both have maturity, roundness, powerful, but also minerality from the top of the hill. Then moving back to Les Brûlés, which is only located 30 meters far from Le Clos, but it's facing south Le Clos. The characteristic of this plot is the marne and the clay power of its soils. So, and of course its exposure. So Les Brûlés means burnt like crème brûlée, of course, because of its exposure. So you always gain a very nice maturity for this specific cuvée. It's a monopole of the chateau as well. It's a small plot, it's less than 1 hectare, but since this cuvée is very powerful, we can afford to use 100% new oak for this cuvée, because the soil itself is over the power of the oak.